2 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get it. Days I'm staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. So I'll go and stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best, I know, oh well, but this time will not be the same. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get up.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today's just going to be a Sunday vlog. I probably won't do a lot of talking for the most part. It's just going to be showing you what I'm doing. But as you've seen this morning, I kind of kept it slow and just did a few things like prepping my cold coffee for the week, having breakfast, and then I took my shower. So it's almost 9 a.m. I want to go ahead and get my dinner in the crock pot. This has actually been something I've really been enjoying on Sundays, is doing my dinner in the crock pot, because then it can sit all day, and again, it keeps things slow and relaxing. I don't have to do a lot. So this is a new recipe I'm going to try. I'm just going to show you, but essentially all the ingredients get put in the crock pot and then you let it cook. So let me show you what we're going to use for ingredients, and then I'm going to get started so I can get that done. All right, so this is basically like a veggies and pork chop recipe. I have bone-in. That was all that my store had this week, so that's what I got. I'm probably not going to use all of these. I'll probably freeze some for later. You need some cream of mushroom soup. It says to use 2. I'm going to kind of gauge it when I put it together. I might just do 1. Celery, baby carrots, mushrooms, some onion, and then baby red potatoes, and 1 of these Lipton French onion packets.
That was a fun one, you know, the threshing floor when you get trampled and stepped on and things get cut out of your life and all of that. And so Monday morning, this was my honest prayer on Monday morning. I'm like, God, can I be done? And God said, read Lamentations. I was like, are you kidding me? So in case you don't know, Lamentations is not the pick-me-up book. Like it's not like, oh, this is gonna be fun. But I read all of Lamentations. I read it quick.
So I'm just gonna enjoy some hot chocolate for the rest of the evening and just watch some more TV and relax. This is what Sundays are for me. I like to be a little productive, not crazy, and I really relax as much as I possibly can. But I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.